In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage resources in Asana using AI. We'll walk through setting up an automation that assigns tasks efficiently, tracks workload, and helps you optimize team performance. First, log into your Asana account on desktop and open the project where you want to manage resources. Make sure you're in the project view, then look to the top right and click Customize. This opens the panel where project-specific tools live. Choose rules to access automation options, and then click Add Rule to start building a new one. From the Triggers and Actions screen, select Powered by AI, then Create with AI Studio. You'll see a pop-up that lets you configure how the AI will help. At the bottom, note the Create button. You'll use it to finalize the rule. Before you do, make sure AI Studio is toggled on. If you see it turned off, switch it on so the AI features are active. Next, find the Guidance for AI box. This is where you tell the AI how to manage resources in this project. Keep your instructions clear and outcome-focused. For example, you can say, assign tasks evenly across team members based on current workload. You might add, identify team members with no assigned tasks and recommend task allocation, or highlight tasks where workload exceeds available hours for each member. Feel free to combine guidance, but keep it concise so the AI can interpret it reliably. If needed, adjust AI Studio settings to control scope, collaborators, or notifications. Scope limits where the rule applies in your project. Collaborators define who's involved or informed. And notifications help the team stay aware of changes without cluttering their inboxes. Set these to match how your team prefers to work. When everything looks right, click Create to save your AI Studio rule. From now on, the AI will scan tasks in this project and surface suggestions based on your guidance. You'll see recommendations for assignments and workload balance, and you can accept, modify, or decline them directly in Asana. Treat these suggestions as a starting point. Review them against real availability and priorities to fine-tune assignments. If you want to adjust the behavior later, you can return to rules and update your guidance or settings. Small tweaks often improve accuracy as your project evolves. That way, your automation stays aligned with your team's capacity. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.